Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 7th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, I mean, we still are not at the 50%. Maybe the dollar pairs are due for a pullback. A lot of them do look like they could make a pullback. But even if it does pull back, I think eventually it is going to go up and grab this Fibonacci level. So overall, definitely still very bullish on all time frames from the daily down. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we have a little bit of a double top right here, even though it is a little bit of a lower high. This could just be like a truncated wave 5 right here. So if it goes down and takes out this low, I definitely would become bearish at that point on the 1 hour time frame and below. If it doesn't and it just ends up doing something like this and then makes an engulfing move to the upside with a higher low, because the fact that the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames and 4 hour time frame even is in an uptrend, if I do see three waves down and golfing up, I definitely will continue to look for longs every single chance I get, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.